Busia for about 2 years in the Incomodie be on social media na enkofo e form ho and almost consider sa and common. They kind if a prophet Eric Uche, the senior pastor of Rain House Chapel. This man is a deep prophet. For about 2 years ago, and Oshen common say
during the 2024 Watch Night service, Prophet Eric Uche prophesied an extension of Ghana's presidential term. He said,
Let's see. And then will be passed in parliament. And this will bring confusion in parliament. This bill will try to extend the term of office for the president. Term of office for president. Term of office for what? President.
From last year to this year, and come out trending on social media, a political conversation this third time to the sense President John Dramani Mahama Abedi will come on 2 occasions or just say only any third term agenda be in mind. And now no can say the 1st of August. Attorney General Abedi come on.
The government has accepted a recommendation to extend the term of office of the president from 4 years to 5 years, with the term of parliament extended to correspond with this. Our thinking is practical. Under the current 4-year cycle, the early months of every administration are consumed by transition matters, and the final year is largely consumed by elections. A 5-year term provides a more realistic time frame for the formulation, implementation, and assessment of government policy.
But enam say Prophet Roja Astomo the studios of Inshra FM. Akodi na nenkomodie nimu na raise other issues. Me say omre no. So so na project me adama so me say na me approve na onsa ebetima ka ebusia. Muma yembora Inshra FM studio. Ne kotie nkomodia. Prophet Roja ekodi wo.
Come say no eyidie no uhiwia na uyiba. Men kase bosume. Debia utimi nya foforo.
Every day.
Oza. Ya bosume bia.
No bosume wa every day be a random message for mine no. But enipa bi nti no ama ayekasa abebuo na nansenso nyame adom aja munyina mo mpa ebo adawor ma yenya akonya nketinketi bi
asafe na nkofo te wase
afi ne nipa ete maseba na yenya akonya nketinketi wo mpanifo bi no manim ti ane ne na mo mfikyire wa yedu mpuma bi ma ne awuram enti no every blessed day also so me hwan we
me suro no
we the asante ye see nana asante hima ewie fufuro ya
nana echa
ye dini sisu ya na empanifo bi free man hia ofre no se Roja na mse ulumai no se ye ahemfo makoma kodum ye no sensu du ane etia na asem na me bisa wo no me ye wo hene na me nyo hene ketwa me yo hene kese ye nana no ye pese hu se wo ye hwan because ye agi achinye isan say afi na obehye nkom so hu se asante me akufi ye di asante ma afufuro sisu ni din di sei afi akwa ba bedu afi ye di nipa ne kwesisu edin na aboy na ye di asiso eti ye hu se oye konfo anochi o se wo ye
kogufure o
ana ka kire ni se asante amamre mu no me ye osumfo ma yewura
tekokoso
me yo tekokoso wanana ti me sum sika dwa kofi onyankopon adwuma mu me yewrade akoa sana me ka kire wo bo on si debi because ade na kwete say ase wo hwe no wo dem no aba beka
na echa ebem anya de
papa nyame adom
me wakanse me no edi nkomo bebre bi wo kra na ofe ma bebre abem bi wo ka no mframem mame utimenka kwame mame voice we na yentie me ne Prophet Roja Ali Baba ha me hu se enu erefi amunu kumba ape akobi ewra voice na ready am pacho me yentie voice we sisi a nefa sama abaso ne and now wo bai
adeden BBS ne wo
obenya video no dia tini se enne Attorney General Doctor Ini wona o yenis se baby e kodi ntina ma yedi politics na chin kakra
okay
na wabaka asembi sasa muda okan no mu video me yem hihye ma wo me o ka se ma me yem hihye se go phone me se me ame wo fa no nti ambe mu ameden ha me dwen ba o
oh da me de me ngu ani mo ase
because o ka chema untumi de o ka ayemia menua a wa guna kana senum ei akwegugu ano pe kana mbem dia me menua de menim no obeya o adwuma pa o social papa kugu asori amaye
ya se wo
ono ne nam no wa hye nkoma ho no wasa to pressure ma maybe me pesa me kan asem asem shi wi eke azebra mi ngu ani mase
da
asem
nyame
because the message be si atoho no na hwe ni pashu na wo kan asem na hwe abeka asem
o kan no anzo no o
me kan so na me say sirio
na ya na
asem abon say any prophecy be abon say me gus me kan me sire no funny serious because the entire me sire is ade na siewie
na wo sire
enti eye me nwanwa because esaya me sire che say nipa magini na nso asiewie ba minimum ade asi ne as we said then see
come ready ana
want this to be recorded.
Okay.
Mama for Ura Ghana Parliament House.
Okay.
The Parliament House. Asem na make any mood ba meka. Ura Ghana Parliament House me who say there is a communication be in the realms is ahead of us. As our communication, you know, e ba be sisambra bi. Na samra ne sisa ye ni wie peyo a. Ebeba be Ura Ghana election 2026 ye be unity. And komodie bi be koso. Our Ghana Parliament House.
Okay.
2026 yiko ya. San komodie ni koso a ebeba ba be wie Ghana ya bato. Ebaba be wie Ghana bato a. Ebema niema bi a ewo ho nne ensesa. Ebe wo ho saa kopim 2028 eni nachi. Ensesa.
Oh, breaking it down, Kakama me. Parliament be amendment or mrebim. Some ran be affected 2028
election. Affected election now. You hunin then. You be hunis ensesa. If I say a unity na mabana be breaking it down ma.
Me pese a unity.
Me and I want who be for 10 be one as I dey work and me the margin bubu as a yes some rebi na say ma de wo ho no mo a na say anyama nsesa
ensesa bibia.
Do you see say a man penny betimi asan akobi?
I have seen it. Say he's going for the third time and he will win the election. That is it. Until say Entina make us say me be say unity. Now me breaking them be down here. Emma Ghana for TSA.
Okay.
And for the good
of the country.
In a way. And in another way so no bibi wa chide. E ba biwa na be chire sa de kro.
When na hu ye ne ye de ye hu bibi e be ye yie no bi. Anase we de nyame aka. Nti ye hwe ya enye yie.
Enkomo bi koso. I have seen say enkomo na koso amepo no kra ye ya abo awie. Se poni nya bo wie dia ye hu hwe a. Sa na wo sisi.
Na se pona ntimi ammo anwia.
Pona ntimi ammo anwia. Ani ni ebeja ato ba still na de ye hu ne de sa na ebi hu no. Tiana de sa na ti.
Asama wo kan de.
Emodu pa. But this is ahead of us.
No.
Say how they are starting no. It's ahead of us as a country. Et you know ebedru ba bi no the oil promise, the oil pay to me, the oil campaign, the oil ye ni nyina no. Beba be ye dem asem. Beba be obi ne yere ne mane na dofo nkomo. Champagne e betu ne dem empia bonten. Se enya wura de mahunu na de meka no unity a obi aha no.
Ya asa me pese mu di.
We video no ache.
Me ye video ache o. Ache last year mu ho ba bi kura. Me fan say almost a year. Come me kan on say video na chance no. Me kan say nkomo bi cause be unity 2026 June. 2026 June. Ana san nkomo be unity. Na ya be kwa ba be dru June no. Nkomo no be unity. Eti last month era president ba bonten. Ebe kan say
opeyi abakwaka
omo pese omo nyense saye di me hu sa video no ye di come ka June and a president Rebecca I think 28th June to a casa June no me di ba me tie minim de organ anim
utia
I say your papa minim say boni minim
e da sinti enhwe uka nkomo ka se ponu du we sania de du ona na me ka che no tena jana doctor say omo pese about one abani nya obese stand there for 5 years
I know the moment so propose the parliament also be
yes
I almost odwene ho say ombaji atuma but I don't mean the SCD
your friend so beba and you can say 2028 and sha about one
yeah nto
be so bi shene dem
obi aba shene dem ka
e pona bo sane ne enkoye alize men ka bo ne
e pona bo akosi say ya jisa amada na atum
ye de ko said ya ye de majority is no parliament
omaji atum say MP for be 5 years
say alize wo
no me be say me on say me nya news no et me be say dia wo kana meetie is it ya ji atum say MP for 5 years
MP ko ne wan na ko
president nso ko 5 years no on say oman na sem court semunti me mpese meka de minim eti wo na what news ni be say wo confirm me say is it confirmed because me pese me hu no say is it confirmed
me share statement na ma
wo hwe ma me amekan na say
na the kind say omo propose
a proposal
yes
but it's not yet confirmed
afi na be parliament na afi no we say leave in the phone no man we say needs for the more than change na I propose kan ya koka referendum wasem me na be mu na ko parliament so a we parliament aban no so nko for na doso
okay
they make say what I say and the abatudwa and was abeka say before during next year 2027 na ebeto assembly maba no sa parliament dituma sa referendum na Roja'S by my yedi to abana yebeji constitution tum se Ghana nto abanyi mampeni nti akeka ko wasem no mu
referendum na je say no ba be se no so ya mra foforo
the extension ba nyebe ko 5 years no na referendum na be se bia president bituma sa ko bi wana se pon ne yebubu ba no
Ghana
because kind na go for pe wasi wabo
oh yes
sorry about me mbushi bebe
me ti wa fidie so ho I'm not God me nyankopon but 2027 2028 29 30 up to bear 2040 I can give you date time
I always was about travel
there we me ma samon tum fa ho
I said, don't joke with my
David.
don't joke with my
ma samon tum fa ho and at the who need you any who in now of na what ye news ma say I don't know say o say wamna a propose ade we no
a constitutional
committee na this a proposal we aba and then na wo no hu
and then me ali nyina ye
abaye news ama ba me tie no ayade ma hu ni last year twam iti matra ba bia wo yi a eye ade a ho popuma hu ade foforo a mimi hu ya mimi wo mu ahyeme anu ya de wo ya nim na wa fe na
anu hu den
no make I say I am always ahead of time.
Okay, much.
Say ade ni mesi nana me news ma on tra radio so me na ye news ama me atwa ma me say me come ni me hwehwe de e ba be si bio dida bia madane konkonsa ni me hwehwia dida me onyankopon konkonsa ni dida bia me wona nim na mabisa ne dia na ebesi na waka kirem dia na ebesi na waka kirem
na so waka kirem man
na ma unim at first na san nan kan be say rade ye me ma o man no anya so obi ama miskao I wanted to be a mouthpiece nanka rade de mama na maka menka se obi mama sika o papa me da bia meka penimu bia ni wa nyame adometi wani mu mako se ojiwe minye saade no ba na me pese I wanted to avail myself nanka rade afam so de aboa wo man no
amane penisade
bebi mu penisa eno de ebi mu penisa enyo man no kro asofo ni mu bi kura mpene sa because mu hu ni say good omu ne sasa wo gi wo menim say glory o say shine o say den nti na nsen one we afro Roja body oban bu mu jiro oban bu mu yesi
obi abehwehwe wo ha so mu senkofo attack danfo ba kon wase ha so mu senkofo attack.
Oh yes, and we about 3 weeks need the message we abasa one we afro prophet oja musi abotu musa na da mojem and now no pe kro bi frame me kan bi kire me prophet oja mesro oya sofo pani pa e wo pankro no side ono de de wanka se awrade biye nani o se okopie meeting bi so ana o ka ho omoye meeting no timu bi ana omo se ombekum ombetetemi abomitu tenya kumi ato atwe so be so say boy we ni any say no den potting no no na wo hwa de a wo ye obada ben na isa kwete say o man no bi akura kasa nipa ntie isa kwese ne ne wura wo bi asum ntie be yini ni na firi nipa asum se nipa na di nipa ni wura nipa asum nipa timiji ba se wura de na di nipa ni wura nipa asum nipa bie ni wo betimi yi enye nipa na ede ye ne ewura nipa asum eye wura de na ma ye no nsem ewura nipa asum papa yayet metie ebi kura na 14 days kura bi ana metie na adwane nkama no
oza
yes so be da hu timi da bi ama fon se ya mitimi nya kese wa ya
bansem wo mu
oh that me amu ensam na amu
don't mind the body mind the engine
ensam na amu netia no antino the way amu si I wish say ankomu benya na nke bi amenti ase osofo hwe wo yi no chama mo nimra ho ombenya na nke bi amenti ase na enye saa na tie but nyame ene hu nipa mobo
o say the government has accepted the Constitution Review Committee recommendation to extend the tenure of the president and parliament from 4 years to 5 years.
It will not affect John Dramani Mahama. The term no one here on camera.
No dey 28.
Be a papa do ka hu ma say make a newsman. Dey dey make newsman say na make a newsman. It news ni say.
On a news perspective.
News ni say. Constitution Review Committee no. Na omo dey proposal na koma aban. Na aban na dia tu.
Ali the media attention na kasa.
O say me na attention.
Fele to focus pa che the character bi what dey ba ye say. Ebe koso kra 5 years be koso kra e affect Mahama. Ya hwe omo no musem ye titi. Nti bi obi bedi so 5 years Mahama dey or 2 years dey 4 years. Nti
any o media side.
No news na
when
akra.
But there's all kinds of men chele. Because me
MP be ko 5 years.
Because me num so 10 days kwa men. Na sanyo mana ya ohunu. Eya wo yemu nhihye wo.
David. Eya mu nhihye me yemu nhihye me da. Na me yemu nsu nhihye me da. The best they can do near say they will try to put fear in me. Somebody who ebe shame so.
Go come not.
Manu so dey mean to me come to.
And your police are near then even.
You no hwe, you na na ebe mu so.
So ka say do obe sanepol.
I do am sanepol. Enu baby edu Ghana baba beji prophet we jadi. Ye be o mind beji prophet we jadi pa. O mind beji prophet we jadi.
2020 ento aba.
But you can now oh ade o mi
ya twin one we
about what the electoral commission for himself. This omo see abeto omo see ye nto a say ye ne to abade omo call parliament house ntino MPP for ho NDC for ho your independence for nso ye den e wo ho omo nyina atena se no omo say ya obi ani asem ka
bali en fa bibi anto nche se me me MP now they bass me nko 1 year nka maja tumo
now you ntum se
ya de na se be unkakro
on person mo chese 4 years omo timi pa anya o se omo twa 3 years ni bia afina aka no mo sa be campaign you see next year say we afu ya kwa we next year anonko awo de ne ya ne beto aba no o mampani ntimi nya no ma chese mo ntimi yedi sa bo so maja project ni abo because onkoye no ma so ho a se da bia wa anto aba no
ayo
5 years now papa na Canada
papa mo se hu ni ma bebre wo ni
ade o mne yese 2028 ana say after 2028 election, but whether 28 or whether say after 28. The next election ahead of Ghana, spiritually, you better October, September way. Into October, September way now Rams in baby. To do a MP and maintaining the seat. The person maintaining the seat in October, September way. Spiritually, September, October way. This year no. And now Rams in baby. Ebia ye dia skoko hini. Skoko ya ye dia ni hini. Niyama bi kan ho fa maintain wakunya. Even if you are a president, now we should maintain the seat now. Want me maintain in September, October now. Opama Rams and Cruise, your campaign said day, won't me win it. So we sit in Obiman and year din when you be an enemy more dear who form. Pa, or bed you sit in a flus or general or dima, your by election back. It is September, October, we are politician. Now we are sitting MP. And as we so maintain position be September, October. Of fear, 2 months.
Election, all cast next year.
By October ending, some year make maybe be different, maybe be more interesting after October ending. What be Jima somebody?
And it's so be a politician
or MP
out. No person maintaining
his seat or September, October 2026. So the maintaining. The person or Jew be city free in some now next election one only ban or betting ya Jew free in some September, October.
So no man near dear.
Anya near day, Papa soon some near day. Says some young and near day as I come to your own frame. That's a musha me, I mean, won't find Susume. But you rack side one of my one of the Hunajuma.
Would the then obey many panning seat?
And you mean I'm the you mean Casabram who commented me what you Jimmy Dia no? Yeah, Yenny Pabe 12. Yeah, we more than 12 complete. And more than 12 near complete, you know. Opa Winchine Grawama Chesica 10 trillion. Ultimate Jim Flynn in Shamuda.
The way you know,
Oma Marius is Yana. Suit. And also Abani Yatu could do neto. When you could do a day to Sabana bit me Jawana Yago. A brayer to Aban. He shall a truck of pressure. The truck commissioner. Yes, you have to Aban. I'm talking about the spiritual side and your physical. Physically, we have the rules and regulations. But soon, so I want to maintain seat September, October. Me say, oh dear, the origin dear catch as a prophet Roja. Was here be say, Canessa. Me because September, October, and Rams ni baby. Now when him say, yeah, the numbers, and I am motion show.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, numbers here until 2026 near number. October, the 10th month. September, the 9th month. So 26, 9, 26, 10.
9, 26, 10.
Jesus Christ. Mama chira wade. Papa nyame chira onwumi ya oboy. Eda ye de chama wontumi etum no. Tieni you. Day na de chama wontumi etum no. That day was 20th July. And ye de ne kokotum 20 years. And a month was July 7th. 2026 ebema 26 tie ebema 26 na 20th July na ebema 20 to abenya 20 plus 26 na ma 46 now with the month 7 na be kan ho na abema 53 right or 52 is it 52 46 plus 7 abema 53 no wakwa fa chama wuntumi ni age ankasa o
50 years.
Now the age of 50 years. Now the ababe work here there. No one research amount to me be piano as won't be.
And you be piano.
Why are you looking numbers?
My judge of 47, 57. And the same numbers. Okay, Kabuma.
Okay, Kabuma. You sorry, and
many wedding come work, I say, woman in fins, I won't praise one cover for fra.
Man, I am come away dinner, men can once and Tinanian featuring come on.
And where I come from, I think. You can't 50 years no. What kind of 46 aka 7
and about back Yabinya 53.
53.
It's your mom any numbers no you're from say
calculation of numerology for
munim sa numbers no mun obia wonim number working bia wonim said you see the numbers are working yard o working with numbers oba benya 53.
Okay,
funny date of birth aye de wo no wonim the date of birth and how the ko check yard. Now the ababa checking 53 no I work here there. You know say you come out or not.
But what working?
Oh, maybe say numbers need me mattress level no. Say the numbers work here there. Only secondary school na mission as any man.
Numerica.
The numbers work spiritual things no.
No dey ayo
from matwem sa there. Nyame adom. But the atras level. But all the sound number no work here. You can tell it clear. Such amount to me case no. Obeba fie anase or mafia.
Ebusia weni komodi asisi amene kase ekoso on social media ankofoni abreya obiade na adwenche eba table no so mesrew say wo so adwenche bia obia the comment section where you dey bia make say that's the best way we can know how you are receiving our information to wadwen wo ho na foni demo subscribe my page no mi adama no so sina me upload bi so na wo sa betimaka bakra